How are you?
Well, thank you. You, Alex?
Good,
you
thank
fine?
you. Yeah,
Great.
very good. Happy to be here in front of you guys. That last year we can come here, so it's a pleasure.
Yeah, definitely it is. I'm very happy. I know you are, as you just said. But I want to make you even more happy because I want to show you a piece of art, a fascinating bike, such as the new Katana 2022. So, do you want to see it?
I want to see it, and I want to take the keys.
Oh, I see. So now, time to unveil. So ladies, please, let's show us the new Katana 2022. Wow. What do you think about this color, these finishes?
Unbelievable, so nice.
Yeah, this very nice looking. As you can see, the new Katana 2022 comes with a new color. This is a matte blue with gold finishes, gold rims, gold forks that even emphasize much more the stylish of the Katana. But Katana will be also available in 2022 version in a gray with red rims. So really fantastic. But that's not all, because the new Katana comes with the adoption of new technologies. Adopts the ride-by-wire technology as a new performed engine with a 152 horsepower output, benefiting of new mappings, a traction control mapping, and the new incredible Suzuki quick shifter.
Looks like the MotoGP.
Yeah, that's really fantastic. And you are a lucky man. You are a lucky man because you have the chance to be the first to take seat on the new Katana 2022. So, please, take your occasion.
Thank you very much.
Okay. So now, guys, the new Katana 2022 will be retailed in Italy at 14,190.